So here we are. Today I've got the last of my ingredients that I bought the other day. And what we've got here is we've got this beautiful gambero, which is Italian for shrimp. First thing we want to do, we're going to want to clean off all of each one of these things. So what we're doing is we slit the back just like this. I like to leave the shell in. Why? Because the shell gives lots of nice flavor. This will also allow a little bit more flavor to come in, a little more of the seasoning to go in. And we take out this little vein here that's in the back, and that's it. We just want to make sure that that's out of there. It is actually the intestine of the shrimp. So now these guys are all nice and clean, looking good. I'm going to take this. I'm just going to kind of set this aside for now. I'm going to take my beautiful mixing bowl here. I'm going to chop up some of this fennel, which I just love fennel, and it's going to go really well. And I'm just going to really simply just slice this just like that. See? Look at that. I'm not going to have too big of pieces. And then we're going to just do this. So we kind of end up with a little bit of a dice of fennel. So we'll take this, put it in our pot, get these beautiful tomatoes. Look at these. I think I'm just going to slice them, quarter them, throw them in the bowl. Put these in the bowl. So I've got my rosemary and I've got another piece of this alione. So I'm going to just kind of cut that up, and we're also going to get that nice cut here. And I'm just going to chop this all up together. Oh man, that's smelling so good. Doesn't have to be perfect, because at least for me, we're having fun. By the way, if you need help, just come on our website or join our community, better yet, and you can get all the help that you need for cooking. We'll answer the questions. We will be more than happy to give you advice. So that's all nice and cut. Put this in the pot, and you add a squeeze of lemon here. Not too much, but just a bit. Now we'll get some olive oil. Put that in there. Fresh ground pepper in here. If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can always use some chili flakes. So now I'm going to take this, I'm going to just mix this up here with my hands. Put those in the pot here and just get this all mixed up. So now we're going to put it in our pan. Make sure that, preferably, you want all of the shrimp on one level, which it looks like it is. I'm just going to put this all on top of the shrimp. All these flavors are going to go into the shrimp. I put the shrimp in the fridge, put some water on the pasta, and I have this beautiful porcini mushroom. Look at that. Under any circumstances, do not put this underwater. Over the sink, what I'm going to do is just kind of cut that bottom part off. And then I'm just going to kind of scrape around the mushroom using my knife to try to get rid of as much of that dirt as I possibly can. Got our pasta. So I'm going to take two of these guys, pop it in there. I got the pasta going. So I'm going to open the oven. I got this stuff. Oh, look at that. I can't wait. Put that in the oven. We're going to let that cook. It'll probably take about 15 minutes to cook. So now, I still have some of this rapini left over. It's going to be pretty simple. We're just going to cut it, and then once the mushrooms are done, I'm going to use that same pan, and I'm just going to kind of cook the rapini in there with a little bit of lemon, and a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper. So what I like to do with the basil is I like to just kind of stack it up, kind of like that, get all my leaves stacked up. So I'm also going to cut it the other way, kind of give it a good chop here. Now I'm going to check my shrimp, see how they're doing. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Those shrimp are looking really good. What I'm going to do is stick back in there. I got the broiler on. I'm going to change this to broil. Alright, so what I've done is I pulled some of the stuff out of the shrimp. I pulled the tomatoes out, I pulled some of the fennel and some of the garlic. We're tossing it right in here in the pan now. And then I'm going to add my pasta. Right there. Look at that. So I got my pasta in there. Give that a few tosses. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my porcini. Look at that. Oh my God. Add a little bit of pasta water to it. That's one of the secrets to making great pasta, which kind of creates a nice sauce. So let's see how we did. I think I'm just going to go in for the shrimp first. Oh man. Oh. Wow. Now I'll have a little bit of the pasta. Really nice. This one worked out pretty well. I'm really happy. Saluto, buon appetit, chin chin, and enjoy your food.